Hi everyone, it's Charlene from stampingwithcharlene.com. On today's episode of Stamping Schoolhouse, we are going to talk about two-step stamping. So let's get started. The Sweet Strawberry stamp set from Stampin' Up! Is a perfect set to illustrate what two-step stamping means. You'll see that there is the inside of the strawberry, and then the second stamp would be the outside of the strawberry. So first I'm going to stamp the inside and then the outside. And this stamp set also has a two-step stamping with the stem, with both of these flowers, and with the leaf. But let's work on the strawberry to see what it means to two-step stamp. I have the solid strawberry stamp here on my clear block, and this is real red ink. And what I'm going to do is ink up the stamp, and then I'm going to use a technique called stamping off, where on my scrap paper I am going to first stamp the strawberry down there to take a layer of the ink off, and it'll make the strawberry look lighter. So you don't have to do that, but I like the look of that when working with the strawberry. So first I stamp my strawberry. That is step one. And now I have the outline of the strawberry stamp, and I'm going to ink that up in my real red ink, and I'm not going to stamp it off. I'm going to leave it the full strength ink. And I'm going to come in here, and the best I can, I'm going to line this up over the strawberry that I just stamped. And there you have it. That is two-step stamping. So you have the inside of the strawberry, and then you have the outline and the little berries, and that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Stamping Schoolhouse. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon so you can receive an alert whenever I upload a new video, so you won't miss out on any new information. Thanks for watching and have a great day.